On the defensive, the Prime Minister comments on the controversy of the granting of a cellular license. But will Caricel's license be revoked? Andrew Holness answers the question in Primetime News this evening. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Explain Yourself. An anti-corruption agency demands the government explains why it granted the license to Caricel.
Conspiracy theory, what a former PNP General Secretary says is driving the campaign against Caricel.
Crime fight. The Prime Minister and opposition leader speak on the crime monster affecting the country.
Help wanted. Specialist nurse shortage. Stall surgeries at University Hospital.
And in the business day, the latest petrol prices.
There's also the health report, sports commentary, as well as primetime weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What are your thoughts about the controversy surrounding this cell license granted to Symbiote, which trades as Caricel?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.